Yo, brother, yo, dumbass, turn on noise suppression.
Yo, Careless, stop whining on debate here.
Will you turn on noise suppression?
Oh shit, you're still
We're being
crying.
a
Oh my
couple.
fucking
Turn
god.
on noise suppression.
Debate him.
Yeah,
Oh
so
god,
I'm back.
like I don't know if you're in a fucking
Where is this
meeting
retard
or
now?
like I don't know.
Hello? Yeah, are you gonna talk or not?
Yeah, Crimson.
Hello?
Yo, Crimson on Galaxy. No ducking. No ducking.
My fucking god, can you like talk?
Reform. Do you want to join Crimson server?
No, I don't want to join his server.
Okay,
What?
like, nice
We can
stuff,
debate right fucking now.
Turn on
Why are
noise
you not
suppression.
debating?
Turn on noise suppression.
Okay,
Turn on noise suppression.
sure, that's not gonna change much to be honest.
Okay, turn it on, Chris. Turn it on, Chris.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, it's on.
Okay, no, turn it
Yeah,
back
it's on, dude.
It's still loud. Turn it on, Chris. Turn it on, Chris.
I literally have done Chris. I can literally show you.
Okay,
I can show you fucking retard. Why are you wasting our time? Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at this. You fucking retard. Yeah, check this out.
It's so ass.
Now he's gonna say that I'm still loud because he's a fucking loser and he's actively watching this conversation. Nigga, custom is. Okay, let's start. Yeah, so what's gonna be the proposition we're gonna debate on? No, I'm not gonna be running fine tuning. The proposition is that theism is true. You fucking retard. We're going to be debating on. No, we're going to be debating on the proposition that theism is true. I don't wanna do your fucking. Yeah, I literally did not agree to that topic. Fucking dog shit ass retard. Yeah, we can debate on a proposition that theism is true. Do you wanna debate on that or not?
Do you take it that theism is true?
I can take that position if you're going to be just not gonna dodge. Can you like not dodge if I take that position? Yeah, you're gonna.
How do you define God?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, so God is going to be purely actual and he's going to be divinely simple. You know what that means?
Okay, what does it mean to be purely actual and divinely simple?
Yeah, so what I mean by God to be divinely simple, what I'm going to be saying is that whatever is in God is identical to him.
Okay.
And for the purely actual part, God will like lack potency and be pure. He would just lack potency, like you could say that.
So do you think that God can change?
God what? God does what?
Do you think that God can change? Yes or no?
Oh my god, what is this retard saying? Can you enunciate better?
Do you think that God can change? Yes or no? Like it's possible for him to change? Yes or no?
Oh my god. Can you like just enunciate it better? What are you even saying?
Do you
Like
think that God changing is possible? Yes or no?
God changing is possible? No.
You said no?
No, yeah, I said no.
Okay, so you're not totally retarded. Okay. So in this case, what's the argument for God?
Yeah, okay, hold on, let me give you the argument. So I'm just gonna be using Bordel's model. If you repeat that.
Yeah, what's the argument?
Yeah, so hold on, let me just give you the argument.
Matter of fact, matter of fact, the question I asked.
Yeah, don't face behind, bro.
What justifies the inference you're going to point the argument? Taking that he's running an inference that takes it that God exists is true, but you're deriving a conclusion insofar as the argument of change or authority.
What is he even saying?
What justifies the usage of the existence of things in the
What is he even saying, genuinely?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, retard. It's a metal level.
Let's just talk about my argument. Let's just talk about my argument.
No, we are talking about the argument.
No, we are not talking about my argument. You're doing this irrelevant meta thing.
Your argument is charismatic.
I haven't gave my argument, retard.
Your argument is charismatic.
Yeah, why is it personal?
Norms you're employing there for your own perception.
Yeah, can we please talk about the argument itself and not all this fucking meta thing?
About the argument. I'm saying that if look,
you're just talking about this irrelevant meta point.
If we deny the way you're using existence,
oh my fucking god.
Charismatic for is going to defeat this. The argument crumbles. Because you cannot rival story that's a different
fucking retard. Do you wanna talk about the argument itself or not?
And your view would lose because your view is not more powerful than that of a logical theory that doesn't include your conceptual norm or inferential norm.
I Oh my god. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about my argument instead of going with this irrelevant meta thing. So, what do you think existence is? What do you think existence is? What do you think existence? No, I'm not gonna mute my mic. Tell me what existence is. Tell me what's existence. What's existence, fucking retard? Tell me what's existence. What? How can we, okay, yeah, so what's gonna be the sound argument that we can meaningfully engage in a conversation when you're agnostic to the fucking proposition, to the, like, concept of fucking existence? No, I'm not done. No, I'm not done. I'm not done until you give me the fucking sound argument. Can you just give me the fucking sound argument as to how we can have a meaningful conversation? No, I literally am not asking you that. Why is that why are you mistracking? What the fuck? I told you I need a sound argument in favor of the proposition that we can meaningfully engage and we can meaningfully okay, so we can't meaningfully engage if you're agnostic to the concept of existence, right? Right? Why are you stuttering? 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 Oh my fucking god. No, that's not what we are asking. That's not what I'm asking. No, that's not what I'm asking. Yeah, I'm not asking you that fucking retard. You fucking retard. I told you that. Give me the argument as to how we can meaningfully engage in the entire discourse when you're agnostic to the concept of existence. Are you a fucking retard? Like, okay, wait, why am I asking that?
That's not my problem.
No. Can we even meaningfully engage if we're agnostic to the concept of existence? Yes? Okay, what's gonna be the argument? What's gonna be the argument?
Yes, sure, because
give me the argument.
That doesn't immediately concede to you agreeing to the existence of life.
Speak English.
Those robust conceptual norms in a point.
Okay, slow down, retard. Let's slow down. Let's slow down. No, I'm not gonna be quiet unless you slow down. Slow down. No, I don't want your fucking objection. I want the fucking argument. You're just dodging the video. You're just dodging. No, I'm not cutting you off, indeed. I'm just reminding you of your fucking birthday. You're a fucking dork. This nigga is a loser. He can't even give me the argument as to how we can meaningfully engage in a conversation when he's agnostic to the fucking... Oh my god, that's not a fucking argument. That's not a fucking argument. Yeah, give me the argument. Are you not gonna give me the argument? Can you give me the argument? Can you give me the argument? No, just tell me what's the argument that we can meaningfully engage.
Don't have to have the same way that we classify or different conceptual people have to exist, don't have to agree upon the same existence norm. Retard.
What the fuck? How can we meaningfully engage on the question of whether God exists?
Look,
No, just give me the fucking argument, please. What's the fucking argument? What's the argument that we can meaningfully engage in a conversation? Oh my god. Why are you fucking talking? Why is he talking?
That exists, like, mind independently outside of our engagement.
Why is he talking? Yo, Careless, let's try to narrow down what the fuck you're talking about. Yo, Careless, let's narrow down what the fuck you're trying to say, okay? Now, tell me, are you a deflationist? Are you a deflationist? No, tell me, are you a deflationist? No, are you a deflationist? Possibility isn't what we're talking about. No, just tell me, are you a deflationist? Or not? No, but are you or not? No, nobody is talking about whether you have to be a deflationist. Yeah, nobody is talking about that. Are you a deflationist or not? That's the fucking question. Yeah, that's not the question, retard. I'm not asking you whether you have to be one or not. I'm just saying, are you a fucking deflationist or not? I'm not saying whether you have to be one or not.
I'm not, dumb bitch.
Okay, you're not. Then why do you waste our time, okay? Yeah, so...
retard, you don't have to be a deflationist. Once you have to eliminate this, fucking done.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Nobody said you have to be a deflationist.
Look, retard. How are you justifying the way you're suspending judgment upon the belief that confirms that God exists for your own definition or proper framing of it. Additionally, how are you justifying it?
Was he wasting my time? Yeah, let's just engage on the Gödel's ontological.
You do realize
No, let's just talk about the argument. Don't waste my fucking time, retard. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time with this mental bullshit, okay? Yeah, so are you aware of the ontological proof by Gödel? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of that? Answer my question. Answer my question. Answer my question. Are you gonna answer my question or not?
It is the case with the also true that you're running an inferential context. Therefore, it's the case that it has inferential.
He's just talking.
Premise 2 is true.
He's just talking.
Because premise 1 is analytic.
He's just talking. He's just talking. Okay, very schizophrenic. Very schizophrenic. Let's engage on the argument. Let's engage on the argument.
What justifies the argument in the premise you're going to the argument and it's going retard?
Yeah, let's not talk about this meta bullshit. Let's talk about the argument. So are you going to refute this argument or not?
It actually fucking matters. Because if it's the case I deny, what's the concept of Careless Reform, then there is no reason to converge or agree with any of the concepts you're running thus far. You dumb fucking bitch. Stop.
Nigga, we don't give a fuck about your fucking metas. You just tell me, do you agree with these axioms or not? Okay, why is he ducking? Why is he ducking?
Okay,
we cannot conclude. We have not even engaged on anything. We haven't engaged on anything. Justify. Oh my god, he just asked me to justify the axioms. Your assumptions,
bro.
Oh my god. Okay, what premise do you want? What? Why is he saving recording? Why is he saving recording? What the fuck? What? He's just dodging every question I throw at him. What the fuck? Yo. What? He's just dodging. He just dodged engaging on the fucking argument, and he just saved it, and he's just saving recording. Oh my god, we don't want to do this meta shit, okay? Let's just fucking engage on the fucking conversation. No, an argument cannot be true. Are you fucking retarded? That's like logic 1-on-1. Why are you stuttering, bitch? Bitch. Oh my fucking god. The argument itself is not true. Whether the premises or conclusions are true, that's a different thing. Oh my fucking god. Your argument cannot be true. Are you a fucking retard? You still said that. You still said that the argument. You said that I can't justify